Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Scan. First, download the free Adobe Scan app from your device's App Store. Once installed, open the app and sign in using your Adobe ID, Google, or Apple account. You'll then need to grant the app permission to access your camera, which is essential for scanning documents. This quick setup ensures you're ready to transform physical documents into high-quality digital files in just a few moments. Now, let's scan your documents. Place your document on a flat, well-lit surface to ensure the best quality. Adobe Scan intelligently detects the document's edges and automatically captures the image. If the automatic detection isn't perfect, you can easily drag the corner handles to adjust the boundaries manually. For multi-page documents, simply tap Continue after each scan to add more pages, creating a single, cohesive PDF file. After scanning, it's time to refine your document. Review the scan and use the editing tools available. You can easily crop, rotate, or adjust color settings, choosing options like grayscale, color, or whiteboard for optimal clarity. The cleanup tool is fantastic for removing any unwanted smudges or marks. Finally, rename your scan to something descriptive, making it simple to find later. These steps ensure your digital document looks professional and is well organized. With your scan perfected, you can now save and share it. Your document is automatically saved as a high-quality PDF to Adobe Document Cloud, offering secure storage. From there, you can easily share it directly via email, messaging applications, or other cloud services. All your scans are accessible from any device, anytime. Plus, Adobe Scan automatically applies OCR, making the text in your PDFs searchable and selectable, a truly powerful feature for productivity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.